Hey there. Welcome to Quantum Quarter. And this is your earnings investigator Ursa. Here, we look at the important earnings upcoming 1 week before they drop, breaking down the numbers, analyzing the trends, and giving you a close look to help you make informed earnings play. Progressive is set to announce its second quarter results soon, with analysts projecting strong earnings growth. The company's stock has been trending, outperforming its industry over the past month. Analysts have been revising earnings estimates upward, suggesting positive momentum. Progressive's personal auto premium expansion is expected to outpace historical averages due to price increases, potentially leading to market share gains. The company's investments have significantly boosted earnings. While facing some challenges, Progressive has opportunities to refine its strategies, particularly in policy lifetime performance. Overall, the outlook appears positive, with solid growth expected in both earnings and top-line revenue. So, let's take a look at the firm's past earnings surprises and how they impacted its stock price relative to the market. In the previous quarter, the firm had an earnings miss of minus 43.2%, which led to a minus 3.4% drop in its stock price compared to the market. Then, in the next quarter, it had an earnings beat of 21.5%, resulting in a 4.2% increase in its stock price relative to the market. Moving forward, the firm had another earnings beat of 22.2% in the following quarter, but this time, it only led to a minus 0.9% change in its stock price compared to the market. Finally, in the most recent quarter, the firm had an earnings beat of 16.8%, which resulted in a 1.7% increase in its stock price relative to the market. The firm's stock movement in the last quarter shows a mix of ups and downs. The lowest price was $201.24, while the highest price was $217.67. The point of control, which is the price level where the stock spent most of its time, was around $209. This indicates that the stock was trading within a relatively narrow range, with some fluctuations. One notable aspect is that the stock had a strong start to the quarter, reaching highs around $215. However, it then experienced a pullback, dipping to around $202. This volatility suggests that investors were adjusting their expectations and reacting to market conditions. Despite the fluctuations, the stock generally trended upward, with the point of control at 209 indicating a level of stability. This could be seen as a sign that investors are optimistic about the firm's prospects, but are also cautious due to market uncertainties. Overall, the firm's stock movement reflects the broader market trends, with a strong start to the year and some volatility along the way. Progressive has seen a mix of news lately. The company received an A rating affirmation from S&P, which is a positive sign for investors. Additionally, there have been some significant purchases of Progressive shares by investment firms like Navelier N Associates Inc. and Carey Street Partners Investment Advisory LLC. On the other hand, Progressive Insurance is experiencing growth, leading to a large number of open roles in 2024. These developments could influence the company's stock price by boosting investor confidence due to the rating affirmation and increased investment, while the growth in open roles might indicate a strong business outlook. The firm's financials show some interesting trends. Revenue growth is pretty flat at 0.2%, which might be a concern. Profit margins are decent at 8.9%, indicating the firm is managing its costs fairly well. The quick ratio is quite low at 0.2, suggesting liquidity might be an issue. The price-to-book ratio is relatively high at 5.6, indicating the market values the firm more than its book value. The forward PE is 17.4, which is somewhat reasonable given the industry benchmarks. Looking at the stock performance, the current price is $210.30, near its 52-week high of $217.80. The 10-day trading volume is around 3 million shares, and the float shares are 583 million. Short sellers are relatively active, with 0.9% of the float being shorted. Insiders sold some shares at $207.51, which might indicate some profit-taking. Overall, the firm seems to be doing okay, but the flat revenue growth and low liquidity might be areas to watch closely. That's it for today's earnings preview. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from Quantum Quarter. See you next time.